Said?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right, well, it's Saturday.
More baseball.
And it's the the Wampus Cats versus the Concord A's.
Yes.
So, she's wearing an orange bird shirt today. Wearing my Hitchhiking Ghost jersey today. So I'm rocking the purples because they should be called Concord grapes. And they're not.
I'm just wearing orange for the cats.
So.
And I like orange.
Anywho, this is it's hot. It's a hot matzo ball.
It's been a hot day. And we've been riding around in the Jeep with the top down all day, so a little tired.
Had some brewy stops earlier, so we'll see. View from this point is not super wonderful, but you'll get to see some outfit stuff. So
should be quieter.
It's quieter. So stay with us. So it is the bottom of the third, 7-2. We're not doing good yet. 2 on base, 2 outs. That's a little short. All right, 7-2, bottom of the fourth. 2 outs, 2 strikes, full count, whatever. Not looking good. And 3 strikes. Dang. Okay, so we got is now 8-2. I'm in the 5th. Whew. Rough. There's a big pop fly. Bong. On the street. Alright, so we're that's how we do. There's a pop up.
Greg's not here, so I'm supporting Disney.
Yep. Oof. Yeah.
Nope. Ooh.
In the weeds.
Yep. I mean, I haven't seen any at our house yet.
55th. Oh, there it is. It's a car. Oh no, it's not. Barely. Jeez. I don't know how.
I don't know how that.
It was just on the other side.
And Sereno gets
There we go. Now we're coming back a little bit. 8-5.
brings up number 23.
Hello, choppers. Bouncy, bouncy, go up. Oh, dang. Get him. Yes. Nice. And now it is 8-6.
Brings up number 24.
Still 2 outs.
Woo.
Uh-oh. Dizzy. I'm standing up on this bleachers. Yeah, it might be beer time. Not for me, of course, but, you know. Well, I don't know. No.
You sure?
I don't know. Maybe. We'll see.
Man, it's what we've been doing today.
True. It bounced into his glove like I don't. Okay. That was weird. I heard it bounce into his glove. Didn't see it, but I heard it.
How do you hear it?
Because I heard it hit the ground. And then I heard it hit his glove. Like a double bounce, like boop.
B.J. Williams gets the third standing, and that puts runners in the corners.
Alright, so it's 2 outs. How about the 7th? No, 6th, excuse me. A double play. Didn't get it because I don't know why I didn't get it. But I didn't get it. So sorry. It was cool though. Should have seen it. Yeah. God, if he hit that one, it would have been gone. That was a hell of a swing. Yeah. Oof. Oh, bong. Oh, gosh. God. All right, so it's 2 outs. Bottom of the 6th, 8-6. 2 on base. Yeah, there has.
He got it, missed it.
Dang.
Short play.
All right, we're at the bottom of the 7th. Still 8-6. It's a close one. Dang. What a man. Take it. All right. 1 on base, 2 outs. Oh no. 9-6, bottom of the 8th.
Miss.
Dang. Outfields are good. Okay.
Come on.
All right, so it's 1 out, bases loaded, 10-6, top of the 9th. New pitcher.
2 strikes. No balls.
2 strikes, no balls. Oh, that's a little high.
This guy is a tree. So.
Oh no, damn it. Jeez. All right, so now it's 1 out, 11-6. It's not looking good, fellas. I'm sure they're tired because they've been playing a lot of games, but still. He was like dead. Now it's 13-6. Bases loaded still. It's been walks and hits. Oh, on the strike,
Oh.
finally. All right, so now it's 2 outs. Bases still loaded, obviously. Oh no, and okay. All right, 3 balls. 4 balls and another run. Now it's 14-6. With one. No, we got 2 outs.
Oh.
Okay, good.
Yeah!
Woo!
And your Cats get on base.
Go Cat!
2-2. Alright, 1 out. Bottom of 9th, 14-6. 1 on base.
I'm at him.
Whoa.
Did that one hit?
If I hit that kid,
Oh.
like it missed him by like
3 Band-Aids.
a foot.
Kids don't care. So we strike here.
Come on. That works.
You name it.
Strike.
There it is.
He ain't dropped it all night. At least I got 2. 1.
Cat score.
14-7. 2 outs. Runners on first and second. Correction. First.
There you go.
First and third.
Adamant.
Yeah,
Cat score. Get on your feet.
that'll work. All right.
Make
So now we
some
got
noise.
14-8. Runners on
Rice
first and second.
pepper.
Oof. Dang.
No. It's time for them to go to bed. That's what happened.
I didn't even see it.
Come on now, that was BS.
That was.
I'm not sure. It's a 14-8. Not sure what happened at the end. I wasn't taping, so oh well. Okay, outro time. It's 11:01.
Oh, good lord. That's a long game.
Mm-hmm. Had a long day.
That's been a very long day.
So yeah, it's didn't win this one.
Yeah.
It happens sometimes. So anywho's, gotta get another game tomorrow.
Yes.
So one more baseball game, and then this little, what do they call it? Little mini series. What is it that, like in the majors, it's called something where they play the same team? Well, this isn't really playing the same team. So anywho's,
Don't
yeah,
ask me. I don't know.
we got a game tomorrow. All right.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.